In this video, I'll show you how to change animation speed in developer options on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Scroll down until you reach the Drawing section. Here, you'll find three animation settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Tap on each option and choose your preferred animation speed. For a faster and more responsive experience, you can set these options to 0.5x. You can also turn animations off completely by selecting Animation Off. If you prefer the default Android experience, leave the settings at 1x. Reducing animation speed can make your phone feel faster by shortening the time it takes for app and screen transitions. That's it! You have successfully changed the animation speed in developer options on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.